Welcome back to day 33 of our 100 Days of Java series. Today we're going to learn something powerful, custom sorting. Java already sorts numbers and strings. But what if we have our own objects like users with name and age? We need to teach Java how to compare them. So let's set up our problem here. Imagine you have a list of users: Alex, age 25, Mia, age 22, John, age 30. Now we want to sort them by age, like from youngest to the oldest, and sort them by name, alphabetical order. That's where comparator comes in. Let's create a user class here. Let's sort with comparator. And the output is original list: Alex, Mia, John, Sarah. Sorted by age: Mia, Alex, Sarah, John. Sorted by name: A to Z: Alex, John, Mia, Sarah. Sorted by age: oldest first, then name: John, Alex, Sarah, Mia.